All right, so I don't know if they can hear me, but the first thing you do is you can click here, Shop Essential Oil Infused CBD, or you could go, if you don't see that, you could go to Quick Order and then put Nature's Ultra CBD. Either way will work. And it says, Welcome to Nature's Ultra sign up form. So this is Scott's account. I have already linked mine, so you'll have to agree. And then you're going to create an account and send the confirmation email. And I'll have to confirm my email before moving forward, but you can see these are the products that they have, and these are the pricing and the PV. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is click um, all right, so I'm going to confirm the email. So as you can see, it's loading my email. Okay. So right here is my email, and it's activating my account. Okay. So now it's activated my account. Create a password. Okay. So that's my account. Now you can shop the products. These are all the ones that Young Living offers PV on. Okay, so like let's say I wanted to get some citrus fresh, then I could choose my milligram, add it to my cart. Let's say I wanted to try some of the muscle rub, add that to my cart. And then I want to get some CBD for Bubbles and Rufus. Okay, and I check out. Everything is here. And as you can tell right here, it's $5 off for Young Living for the pet, $10 off for the muscle rub, and $20 off for the CBD for the 1,000 milligrams. So that's it. And you fill this in. Shipping is free. And then I would pay for it and complete my order. And that would be it. So I hope that this was helpful. Then in your virtual office, it will show up as PV for your dashboard right here to help qualify you for a certain rank. So I hope that that's helpful. This is real time, so sorry it took a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but I hope that was helpful.